Let's dive into the Home section. Here, you'll find key analytics displayed through easy-to-read charts and graphs. This section gives you a comprehensive overview of employee statistics, leave trends, and reimbursement details, all in one place. You will see here a visual representation of important data, ensuring you are always up to date at a glance. Next is Attendance section. Here, employees can quickly check in and check out with a simple click on the large icon. You can even log in from different locations as per your organization's setup, and the system records your exact location, which is displayed on the map. This feature guarantees accurate and real-time attendance tracking. You'll also be able to review your past check-in and check-out times, along with your total working hours for the day. Additionally, this section allows you to apply for attendance deviations if needed.